Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iMessage and FaceTime activation error. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing activation error in your iMessage or FaceTime, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So now to fix the activation error of your iMessage or FaceTime, there's a simple fix. You just have to very first go to your settings app, and here very first I recommend you how to try to update your software. So go to general, go to software update, and you just have to make sure that you're on the latest version on iOS. There's no any pending update for your iPhone or for your software. If you find this, try to update your software. After updating software, simply go back from here and go to apps section. Select the apps, and here just look for the app in which you're facing the issue. Let's say very first I'm gonna select my FaceTime app here. Select this, and here you just have to enable this toggle to activate FaceTime. If you're not signed in to your FaceTime account, so you can easily sign in using your phone number or your mail address or your Apple account. And after that, you have to simply enable this toggle to activate FaceTime. So after enabling this, go back, then reopen the app settings here. So here you can see it has been verifying, and now it has been successfully verified and activated. So after enabling this toggle, you'll not get any activation error in your FaceTime. So it's the same with your iMessage. Just go to the message or iMessage here, and here is the messages app. Select this and enable this toggle to activate your iMessage. Just enable this. Now it is waiting for activation. So you just have to wait for almost 5 seconds or almost it might be 10 seconds. So just wait for it, and once it's done, now you will not get any activation error in your iMessage or in your FaceTime. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.